Hey everyone, it's Delia Adams, and welcome back to the channel. With so many people looking to build long-term wealth with crypto, it's crucial to find the best platform for you. Today, we're diving deep into the top 10 crypto trading platforms in the USA for 2024. Whether you're just starting out or have been trading for years, finding the right platform can make all the difference. We're talking about security, fees, ease of use, and which coins you can trade. Trust me, I've seen it all. Let's get started. First up, we have Coinbase Pro. It's like the advanced, sophisticated older sibling of regular Coinbase. You get access to lower fees and more advanced trading options like limit and stop loss orders. Perfect for a smooth introduction to crypto trading with top-notch security and reliability. They've been around since 2012 and have a solid track record. Next, we have Binance.us. Binance is a global powerhouse offering a massive selection of cryptocurrencies. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to niche projects, it's perfect for experienced traders looking to diversify. However, the sheer number of options can be overwhelming for beginners. The interface is also more complex than Coinbase Pro, so keep that in mind. Let's talk about Kraken. If security is your #1 priority, Kraken is a must. Known for incredibly robust security measures, they haven't been hacked ever. They offer a wide range of features for both beginners and advanced traders, including margin and futures trading. Plus, their fees are super competitive. Now, let's talk about Gemini. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is all about trust and regulation, held to high standards for security and compliance. They offer all the major coins and an extremely user-friendly platform. Next up, we have eToro, which is all about social trading. Think of it like the Instagram of crypto trading platforms, where you can see and copy other traders' moves. This is amazing for beginners who want inspiration from experienced traders. They also offer a feature called Copy Trader to automatically copy successful investors' trades. Alright, let's talk about Robinhood. Known for commission-free stock trading, they also offer fee-free crypto trading, making it appealing for beginners. However, their crypto offerings are limited, and you don't get access to many advanced trading features. Let's dive into Crypto.com. More than just a trading platform, they're building a whole crypto ecosystem with debit cards, loans, and an exchange. They offer a solid trading platform with a decent selection of coins and competitive fees. Plus, their debit card gives you cashback rewards in crypto. Up next, we have Bitstamp, one of the oldest and most respected crypto exchanges. They've been around since 2011. Known for reliability, security, and low fees, they offer a rock-solid trading experience. If you're looking for a platform that stood the test of time, Bitstamp is a great choice. Let's explore KuCoin, a hidden gem offering a massive selection of cryptocurrencies, even more than Binance in some cases. Perfect for altcoin trading and getting in early on the next big thing. Just be aware that their platform can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Last but not least, we have Bybit, the go-to platform for derivatives trading, offering futures contracts and perpetual swaps with up to 100x leverage. Not for beginners, it's for experienced traders comfortable with high-risk, high-reward trading. If you know what you're doing, Bybit is a powerful tool. So there you have it, the top 10 crypto trading platforms in the USA for 2024. The best platform for you depends on your individual needs and trading style. Think about your risk tolerance, fees, and the features most important to you. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest crypto updates.